Yo, man, what's up, everybody, man? It's your boy Kurt, and I'm back, man. I know it's been a minute. I know y'all was like, man, I'm about to unsubscribe from this dude because he ain't dropping no videos. He ain't giving us no updates. I don't know what's going on with Kurt, man. I know y'all was in the back of y'all heads like, why am I subscribed to this dude? And I understand how you feel, but we are back, man, and look what we got. She's back, man. We got the car back. As y'all know, we had a clutch issue, and I'm gonna drop some pics of what the clutch looked like, because Jesus Christ, man, that thing was over with, bro. The clutch was really bad, bro. Like, I damn near split the clutch in half. So for y'all that don't know, the MT82s come with a weak ass clutch from the factory, man, and the factory clutch is really not capable of handling the power that these come with, especially off a dig. And what happened was I gave her too much juice, and that clutch gave up, man. It just gave up. I was doing too much racing back to back to back, and the clutch just couldn't handle it, and it just gave out on me. So my car was gone for a minute. I had to get a new clutch. We got the new clutch put in there. Shout out to my boy Eldon for getting it done in such a fast time, man. It only took him like a day or two to get the clutch put in there, and we got the car back, man. Look at how good she looks, man. She's back. I missed her. Haven't had my car in like 3 or 4 weeks, bro. I was about to cry, but we got her back, man. So today, this video really isn't gonna be much about much. I really just want to tell y'all the do's and don'ts of a stock MT82. So for y'all out there that's thinking about getting a Mustang GT, a manual one with the MT82, the 6-speed manual, I want to give y'all some do's and don'ts and what you should expect when you purchase one of these cars, now that I've been through, you know, the typical MT82 things. So let's talk about it. We're gonna get in the car. I'm gonna strap the camera up to the dash, and we're gonna talk about it while we're going on a drive. So let's get to it. So what's up, guys, man? I hope y'all can hear me. My car's a little loud and it's raining outside, but hopefully y'all can hear me. So I wanted to talk about the do's and the don'ts with the MT82 transmission. So as y'all know, or for y'all that don't know, Mustangs in general, every Mustang from I believe 2011 or maybe 2010 and up, come with the MT82 transmission. And you may hear a lot of bad things about the transmission, which are rooted in fact. They're not the strongest transmission, but it's not the transmission that's the problem. It's the things around it. So it comes with a weak clutch. The shift forks are pretty weak also. And there's a few other things that's wrong with it. So it kind of makes it hard when you get up in power to be confident in this transmission. So one of the key things that you should look out for when looking to get a 6-speed manual Mustang is make sure that when you get it, you change the clutch out immediately. Get a McLeod clutch, get a twin disc clutch, get something different than what the stock clutch comes with. The stock clutch is only rated for I think around 300 and some horsepower. So it's really not rated to handle the power that these cars come with from the factory. And that's why my clutch went out. So you try and dig this car, you're gonna eventually break it. It's just inevitable. You're gonna break it if you try and dig it too much. So I would say change the clutch immediately. Immediately after buying the car, change the clutch. Another thing I would say is get a short throw shifter, because the shifters in these cars, they feel kind of loose. Like, I'm not saying that it feels bad, but they're not that notchy compared to like a Tremec, you know, something that you'll find in a Camaro. This transmission doesn't give you as much confidence as, let's say, a Tremec will give you. Like, it's pretty loose. It's not the most notchy transmission, and sometimes you won't know what gear you're in unless you're like looking down. Sometimes like it can really get that bad. So I would say get a short throw, get a clutch, and if possible, switch your shift forks out for something stronger. I mean, I don't know if that's a common issue. I haven't had that issue yet. I really haven't had any actual transmission issues. It was just the clutch, but these are just what I've heard. So I wouldn't say don't be confident in getting one, but if you do get one, first mod you should do is definitely the clutch. Another thing, with that clutch not being rated for such a high horsepower, when you get up in the RPMs, let's say you're mobbing down the street or you're on the highway, you're mobbing, and you're probably gonna miss third, you're probably gonna miss a gear because the clutch cannot handle that. So when you're up at like 6,000 to 7,000 RPM, you gotta be very careful about putting it in gear. Like, you gotta be very, very determined and dedicated to put the car in gear, because it'll probably lock you out. I've had a few instances where I was locked out of gear, you know, trying to mob on the highway or even racing. I got locked out of gear. It happens. It's a common issue with these, just because the clutch, again, the clutch is so weak. So I would say make sure that when you get the car, you don't mob on it, you know, right away. Like I said, if you get an MT82 car, please get a clutch, get a new clutch. But yeah, man, I mean, other than that, it works. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. It works. They definitely could have did better. I feel like all of the Mustangs should have came with the Tremec from the factory, the same ones that's in the GT350, like the Mach 1 has. I feel like they should have put them in all the GTs, especially the performance packs. I feel like at least if they were going to do something else with the performance packs, it would have been put a Tremec transmission in it, because after what happened to me, I don't have much faith in this transmission like that no more. But you know, we got her back. For y'all that's wondering if I did upgrade the clutch, I didn't for now. For right now, I still got a stock clutch that came from my boy Jack. Shout out to Jack. He has the Grabber Blue Mustang you guys have seen in my last videos. So he lended me his old clutch because he upgraded his clutch. And right now I'm saving up to get a really good clutch, but I needed my car for now. So I just got another stock clutch, but I'm not going to be dogging on it like I was before. I definitely learned my lesson. So, I mean, rolls are good. You can still do rolls, but when it comes down to digs, you're gonna put a lot of wear on that clutch when you're trying to go from a dig with the stock clutch. So I'm gonna upgrade my clutch. So no, I did not upgrade the clutch. No, I did not get a new clutch, a brand new clutch, like a upgraded clutch, but that will be coming soon. So now we can talk about what happened with the car. So what happened really was, my clutch was already probably on its last leg before I did the race, and the race just kind of finalized it. Like, I was smelling the clutch on the way to the race spot. It was smelling bad, and I was like, fuck it, I don't care, I'm still gonna race. I was like, maybe, you know, I was just dogging on it a little bit too much. And then I raced my boy Taylor, who had the black G8, and I smelled it after that race really bad. So I let it sit, and once I got ready to race TJ, it was just over with. Like, the clutch was already finished. Now, as you guys can see from the pictures, I destroyed this clutch, man. Like, I'm very happy that I didn't destroy it that bad to where my transmission was messed up, because my transmission could have very well been over with. It could have been through. So thank God that my transmission still held up and it still survived. So I don't think the transmissions are bad in these cars. I think it's just the clutch, really. But thank God my clutch, you know, didn't destroy my transmission also, because that could have been a really bad thing. I don't know what I would have did if I had to get a brand new transmission, man. So thank God it wasn't my transmission that needs to be replaced. But yeah, man, I mean, that's really it. I didn't have much for y'all today. I just wanted to give y'all an update. I did get the car back, and just tell y'all to be careful and watch out for, you know, those issues that I stated earlier when you're getting a new Mustang. You know, whether you're out getting a manual, you know, if you're getting anything MT82 as far as Mustangs go, just be careful. Don't dog it when you get it. Change the clutch, put a short throw in it, and you should be good, man. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to bring y'all some content, bring y'all an update, and that's about it, man. I hope y'all have a good day. I got some fire coming for y'all. I got some shit lined up, so y'all just stay patient, bear with me. You know, I'm getting these videos out when I can, so again, got some fire coming, so y'all just stay updated. Again, subscribe, like, press the push notifications for your boy. I don't even like tell y'all to do that much, because I'm like, you know, if you fuck with me, you fuck with me. If you want to, you will. If you don't want to, me telling you to do it isn't gonna change nothing. So hopefully y'all fuck with your boy enough to, you know, fuck with me all the way, and, you know, subscribe and all that to my channel, and, you know, check out my Instagram and everything like that. But man, that's gonna be it. Until next time, it's been your boy Kurt, and I'm out. All right, y'all, so while I was out here recording my video, I seen this McLaren over here at Motor Cars of Lansing, and I'm like, holy shit, I gotta get a video of this thing. It looks like it's on or something. I don't know. Looks like one of the lights is on and the other one isn't. I don't know if somebody's out here with this car right now, but look at this thing, man. This right here, I'm gonna own one of these one day, bro. I'm gonna own one of these one day. I just had to come and look at it. The red interior is crazy. I've never really seen one of these up close. It looks like they're doing something with the fuel or something. I'm not sure what that is, but I had to come and get a video of this thing, man, because this is super dope. Look at the engine in there. McLaren, I think this is what, a 570S or something like that. The black with the red accents. Super clean, man. Super duper clean. I'm telling y'all, man, one day I'm gonna own one of these. Remember that. Remember I said that, man. One day one of these is gonna be mine. Y'all gonna see me in one of these McLarens, bro. I don't know if it's gonna be a 570. I really like the 720s, but I love these cars, bro. I just heard they have a lot of problems. I heard these are problematic cars, so you'll either see me in one of these or you'll see me in a Huracan for sure. But I gotta get an exotic at some point in my life, man. You know, that's the dream right there, man. I love to come and see, you know, when you get to see your dream cars in person and like touch them, you really get to feel like, you know, one day I could actually own one of these, man. So yes, sir. Just wanted to bring y'all that real quick before I wrap the video up. Again, like, comment, subscribe for your boy. It's been your boy Kurt, and I'm out for real.